Did you know that over 2,500 years ago, a Chinese philosopher discovered the secret that modern billionaires use to outperform everyone else? His name was Lao Tzu. He called it Wu Wu Wei, effortless action. While everyone else was forcing their way through life, he taught something different. Work with the current, not against it. Think about water. It doesn't fight the mountain. It finds the path of least resistance and carves through solid rock. The most successful people in history understood this principle. They knew when to push and when to wait, when to speak and when to listen. Modern neuroscience now proves what Lao Tzu knew. Fighting natural rhythms creates stress and kills performance. But here's what most people miss. Wu Wei isn't about being lazy. It's about perfect timing. A master archer doesn't force the arrow. He waits for the right moment, then releases with precision. Your biggest breakthrough isn't waiting for more effort. It's waiting for the right moment to act. Stop forcing, start flowing. The path of least resistance might just be your path to greatest success.